Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and with another very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1974 Kawasaki H2B 750cc two-stroke in beautiful condition. It can be won on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are £2.99 and the draw will take place on the 6th of September 2026. So like I said, fantastic condition. It's all been fully restored. It's in this iconic purple, which looks absolutely stunning. Nice upgrades, twin discs. We've also got a steering damper over here, which really helps with the handling. So basically all the necessary upgrades for this bike have been done to make it as good as it can be. You've got the alley flanged rims with stainless steel spokes. If we look under the seat, you've also got the Zeeltronic ignition system. You've got your toolkit as well under that, the tailpiece. So yeah, really top example of a Kawasaki H2. Engine work's all been done as well. Carbs been fully stripped and cleaned. So basically anything that needed doing was done. What I'll do now, start her up. We've got a bit of heat in there already, so we can give it a rev. Got a fuel tap on this side, ignition switch. There's a choke on the handlebars as well. We don't need to use it as we've got a bit of heat in there. So just give it a kick and she should fire up. There we are, sounds pretty good. This was also sourced off Fastline Superbikes, so they're one of the top classic two-stroke bike dealers in the UK. They've fully gone through it, really good test drive or service, so it's all ready to go. So if you do fancy a ticket, like I said, they're £2.99. The draw will take place on the 6th of September, just Sunday at 10 PM. If you do enter, as always, thank you for supporting us and good luck.